Hi, today we're gonna make an oil change to my newest truck I got, the F350, Ford F350 with 7.3 power stroke engine. For today oil change, I'm gonna use my favorite brand for oil filters by Wix, and for my fuel filter I'm gonna use the fuel filter by Cat. And the reason why I'm using the fuel filter by Cat is because I have a relocation fuel filter kit, which is over here. And before going down underneath my truck, I'm grabbing my tool, which is today I'm gonna use the 19mm socket. Let me show you. Here we go. As you all know from my previous videos, that's my favorite oil drain box, helping me with all my oil changes on my truck. Let me grab my tool and jump underneath the truck. Okay, I'm starting to drain my oil. The bolt is already loose, and take the box a little bit nearby me and open the oil pan. Wow, good job. Use the belt a little bit more. I thought my truck's filters are tightened, but that one is the same as my truck filters. Almost done. Here we go. Let me take the box mirror. Okay, I can take it by hand right now. Hope it's not gonna spill all the oil. The space under my truck, it's better than under the car. Wow, here we go. Let's drain a little bit. be sure that the level is up to the max on your oil filter. You can wait a little bit to drain down, to absorb, and slowly start again with the oil to fill the filter. Let's take a little time. Actually, let's give a little time. We are done with the filter. It's up to the max, and let me show you what I'm doing as usual on all my oil filters. Don't forget to put a little bit of oil on your rubber seal. And let's go under the truck. I'm already started with my fuel filter removal. Okay. How I wish to have more space. Oops. Okay. The fuel filter is out. Not yet. Okay, the fuel filter is up to the max. Don't forget about the rubber seal, and let's proceed to touching the fuel filter. The same way we remove the fuel filter, I need to attach it back to the And finalizing this video, I'm going to pour the 3 gallons of oil into my pickup truck. That's the, as I mentioned in the beginning, that's the oil I'm using. I'm all done. Let's start the engine. All set. Thanks for watching, guys.